I just thought I'd pop in and just show you my finished box. Now I've kind of covered up the end bits, so I've just added a little bit of paint very carefully, and yeah, I think it's come out all right actually. So you can see all my different sides, and yeah, I'm very happy with it. I put the feet on, so I haven't put the feet on so that they're right against the corner, because I think that it's more robust if they're in a bit. So you can see that they're in the contrast colour to the pink, and you can see the stencils in the bottom there. So yeah, so that's my finished piece. It looks okay. Happy with it. It's going to coordinate with what I want to put in it, and yeah, thank you for watching.